Hello and welcome to QLeave's overview video guide on how to navigate the contract cleaning employer portal. First, you need to navigate to the online portal via the contract cleaning industry tab on QLeave's website's homepage. You can log in clicking Login to Online Services or going to the top right corner clicking Login and choosing Contract Cleaning Industry Login, or you can go under the I Want To section, choosing Login Employers. Put in the email and password you registered to QLeave with. If you've forgotten your password, you can press Forgot Password here, and a replacement one will be emailed to you. You're now in the employer portal, where you can see all the applications you have access to. In the dashboard, you can see the outstanding returns and invoices you have. It's a legislative requirement for employers to give details to QLeave about their workers' service each quarter. On the dashboard, you can see your pending returns. You'll only be able to enter in the current return if you have completed all previous return periods. You can click the return number in the pending returns, or you can go to the Return section and you can choose the return you would like to complete. Please see the Contract Cleaning How to Lodge Your Employer Return for a full explanation video on how to complete returns and add new workers. If you go to the Claims section, you'll be able to track what reimbursement claims you've made and for which workers you have claimed for. If you go to the Transactions section, you'll be able to see all your outstanding invoices. If you go to the Correspondence section, you'll be able to view all the forms of communication we have sent you since you registered with us. In the Workers section, you can view all your registered workers. You can update the worker type or classification. You can also view your ceased workers. In the Employer Details section, you can update your contact details, and you can add in any new contacts to have access to the portal. In the I Want To section, you can request a refund, add past service for a worker, and cancel your registration. In the Contact Us section, you can find all the ways of contacting us. Thank you for listening to this video. If you have any issues or questions, please contact QLeave on 1300 753 283 or email us at cci@qleave.qld.gov.au.